Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, I've got a quick question for you. Have you attended the latest ICE conference? Now, if you don't know what that is, the ICE conference is a conference all about 3D artists. It's an artist-centric event, and it's all about environments. Game environments, environments in movies, and a whole lot more. Now, if you've missed it, that's too bad. I'm going to show you a trailer so you can see what you've missed. But luckily for you, now all of the content has been put online, right? So I'll put a playlist below so you can check that out to your heart's content, right? Here's the trailer and link is below, right? See you guys in the next one. Bye.